Good morning students. Today we are going to do the book work of chapter 11 A and the. In your previous lecture I explained you the what is A and the. Now today we are doing the book exercise of your chapter 11 A and the. Let's do the exercise. Now first is put a or an before these naming words. These all are written naming words. Teacher, train, doctor, inkpot, apple, ox, engine, hut, banana, lion. These all are your naming words. The words which have some or the other names. Now we have to add a and the with it. Clear? Let's start. First is dash teacher. Now see the first letter of teacher. It begins with T letter. So as you know that with consonant we used to add a, and with vowels we used to add like vowels like a, e, I, o, u, we add an. And with the specific names and particular names, we add the with it. Now let's see. Now teacher begins with T. So here A will come. A teacher. Next is dash train. Now see the first letter of T. Train is T. First letter of train begins with T. Now T, as you know, is a consonant. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the letters are consonant. Now T is a consonant, so here also A will come. Next is dash doctor. Dash doctor. Now see, doctor begins with the letter D. Now D is also your consonant. So here also A will come. Next is ink pot. Ink pot. Now here ink pot I begins with the letter ink pot begins with the letter I. Now here I is your vowel. See A. A, E, I, O, U. Now here ink pot, I is there, it's a vowel, so an will come. An will come. An ink pot. Next is dash apple. Dash apple. Now here apple begins with the letter A, and A is your vowel. So what will come here? An will come. Next is dash ox. Now here ox begins with the letter O, and O is your vowel. So an will come to it. An ox. Dash engine. Dash engine. Now here engine begins with the letter E, and E is your vowel. So here an will come. All the vowels with all the words which begins with the vowel, all the words which begins with the vowel like A, E, I, O, U, we add an to it. Okay. If the sound also begins with A, E, I, U, then also we add an. If the sound begins with the consonant, then we add A to it. Now next is hut. Hut. Now here hut begins with the letter H, and H is your consonant. So here A will come. A hut. Next is banana. Dash banana. Now here B is your consonant, so A will come. Dash lion. Dash lion. Now lion, L is your consonant, so A will come. Clear? Now your next exercise is beta. Use a or an or the to fill in the blanks. Let's see what will come here. First is I got dash umbrella. Now here umbrella, see the first letter of umbrella, it's U, and U is your A, E, I, O, U. U is your vowel, so here and will come. And I got an umbrella. Now next is dash umbrella is big. Now here this umbrella word is repeated. If your word repeat in the second sentence, then beta the will come to it. The. Now here umbrella is repeated twice, so the will come. The. If the word repeated in the next sentence, then the will add to it. Now next is dash bus comes down the road. Dash bus. Now see the first letter of bus is B and B is your consonant. So we'll write A. A will come. A bus. Now it begins. Why I have written the capital letter? Because the sentence is starting. So first letter should be capital. So A will come. A bus, capital A, comes down the road. Now next is the dash girl is waiting at the bus stop. Dash bus come down the road. Now here, see the first letter of girl. It's G. G is your consonant. So we'll add A. A is waiting at the bus stop. Now next is dash girl gets into dash bus. Now again the girl, first of all here is the girl, first time written, and in the second sentence also it's repeating, same word is repeating, girl. So children will write the girl. The girl. The girl gets into, here also see, into dash bus. Now bus is also repeating for the second time, because here in the first line also dash bus come down the road. Bus is repeating second time. Here also we'll add the to it. If your word is repeating twice, then we'll add the to it. Now next is we live on dash earth. Now see children, if there is only and only one exists on the earth, we are talking about the specific thing or the particular thing, only one thing exists on the earth, like we are talking about our earth, then is there any other earth? No, we have only one. So we write the. The will come. Hari gives dash rose to his mother. Now here, see the first letter of rose. First letter of rose. First letter of rose is consonant. So we write A. If your letter begins with A, E, I, O, U, then we'll write an. If we are talking about the specific or particular things, then we'll write the. And if we are talking about the other letters like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, etc., then these are consonants, so we'll write A to it. Now rose to his mother, dash rose is red. Now see children, this rose word is repeating again. So what we'll do? We'll write the. In the first sentence, rose word is there, and again it's repeating twice, so we'll add the to it. The rose is red. Now next, dash rabbit found dash carrot. Now here we are talking about rabbit. A rabbit, because R is consonant, a rabbit found a carrot. A rabbit, C is your consonant, so a rabbit found a carrot. Dash carrot is fresh. Now again we are talking about carrot, so we add the. So we write over the. The carrot is fresh. Okay. Next exercise, two more are there. Mary has dash little lamb. Mary has dash little lamb. See the first letter of little. First letter of little. L. L is your consonant beta, so we'll write A. A little lamb. Now again lamb is repeating. Lamb word is again repeating twice, so we'll add the to it. The. The lamb goes with her everywhere. Clear? Next. Dash sun rises every morning. As I said earlier that if we talk about only one exists on the earth like the sun, there is no another sun, so we'll add the. If we talk about sun, earth, stars, moon, then we add the with it. Okay. Now next is filling the blanks. Dash ice cream. See the first letter of ice cream is your vowel. A, E, I, O, U. First letter is I, so we'll write an. Next is boat. Dash boat. Now see the first letter. It begins with B. It's your consonant. We'll write A. Next is dash nest. Nest, N is consonant, so we'll write A to it. Okay. Next is ink pot. Ink pot. I is your vowel. Ink pot I begins with I. It's vowel, so we'll add an. Next is ship. Dash ship. Now here S is your consonant or vowel? It's consonant. So we'll write A. Dash balloon. Now here, see the first letter of balloon B. B is your consonant beta. So what we'll do? We'll write A over here. Clear? So next is your next exercise is filling the blanks with A and the. Rocky goes to school every day. Just like you, Rocky also goes to school every day. Dash school is near park. Now see children, here school is repeating twice. Here also it's repeating and here also it's repeating. The word school is repeating twice. So what we'll add to it? The will come. The school. The school is near park. He takes dash small bag. Now see, first letter of small is your consonant. So we'll write A. He takes a small bag. Next is dash water bottle, comma, dash water bottle. See the first letter of water. It's your consonant beta. There is no A, E, I, O, U. If there is A, E, I, O, U, then we can write and to it. But water begins with the consonant W. So we'll write a water bottle, comma, dash book. Now see, book begins with a consonant. So here also we'll write a book and dash umbrella. Dash umbrella. Now the first letter of umbrella is your vowel. So we'll write an to it. An umbrella, dash book. Now let me rub. Dash book is very colorful. Now children, the book is repeated twice. Here also we are talking about book and here also. Both the places book word is repeating twice. So in second sentence we will write the to it. The will come. The book is very colorful. He meets his teachers at the bus stop. He loved his teacher. Clear? Now dash teachers love him too. Now see children, teacher word is also repeating twice. So we'll add the to it. The teacher loves him too. If the word repeated twice in your sentence, we always add the with it. Clear?